How to use the controller of power wheelchair. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Power on. Press the speed plus and horn button at the same time. Unfold the electric power scooter. Press the speed plus button and the horn button simultaneously. Fold mobile scooter. Press plus separately to control the speed. Gears: 5 speeds, 1 is the slowest, 5 it. Press the Novice Mode W button to enter the mode. Press it again to exit the mode. In Novice Mode, the speed is limited to first and second gears. Press the plus and key at the same time to enter the push mode. Press any key and joystick to exit push mode. The rear wheel of the motor wheelchair has a brake controller. After enter the push mode. In push mode, move the power chair by X turn. No using joystick and app for mobile operation.